All right, welcome to the Infinite 30 Kitchen. We're going to be doing a recipe every week, show you how to make it. The first batch we're doing is stuff you can do in the first 30 days. What I've got today is what I call, kind of came up with this myself, you can do it with turkey meat, ground beef, or chicken. Today I'm using turkey meat, but it's called the Mustard Wow Concoction, for lack of a better thing. The ingredients are simple. Low sodium chicken broth, lots of mustard, garlic powder, black pepper, spinach, and turkey meat, and onion. Okay, the first thing I do is I saute the onion for a little bit in chicken broth. Again, we're not using oils in the first 30 days. Plus, if you don't know this, a cup of low sodium chicken broth is like 10 to 15 calories, where a tablespoon of your best oil, coconut oil, is about 150 calories, give or take. So you're saving a lot of caloric intake that's kind of wasted anyway. So once I've sauteed the onion, I'm then going to put the turkey meat in and brown it, and I'll get there in just a second. Okay, so I've browned the turkey meat, mixed it right in with the onion and browned it. Once I do that, I got it on about a medium heat, by the way, I'm going to add an entire bag of this spinach. It's going to cook down quite a bit. It takes a little process, so I just kind of load it up, and it'll eventually cook right in, and I'll mix it. Once I've done that, I'm going to add the mustard. I'll show you that here in a second. Okay, so I've cooked the spinach in. Doesn't take very long. I do cover it when I do that, so you've got it all there. The last step is to add mustard, and I will tell you, I add a lot. Mustard is very, very good for you. It also provides flavor, so I'll just simply do it really good. And then I'm just going to mix it all in. Now, I will tell you, if you like a little kick, you can add cayenne to this. And you can also do Texas Pete. I will definitely have Texas Pete on mine as an option to give it a little more flavor as well. So, I'm about to run out of this mustard. Promise that's the mustard. Alright, so then I'm just going to simply mix it all in. Okay, it kind of looks like, almost looks like you're adding cheese to it once you mix it in. But I promise no cheese. Oop. Once you've mixed all this in, really, really good. Kind of got to separate the spinach a little bit, kind of cut it up, mix it in. Now this, your serving size is going to be 8 to 12 ounces. You're ready to eat, and this makes a pretty good batch, a number of different servings. Enjoy!